Hello!
Hello.
Hello, what is up guys? My name is Shockz. Welcome to another tutorial. Today I want to teach you the lip bass or lip isolation or power bass. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. If you are addicted to beatbox and gameplays and stuff like that, please click the subscribe button down there and the notification bell behind that. No, next to that. Yes. So you will be notified whenever I upload my new videos. I do beatbox stuffs, gameplays, and funny stuffs. So the lip isolation is one of the most powerful sounds and it's outward, so you can breathe out when you are doing inward sound. And if you want to watch a sample, watch this video. This is Pitch Perfect 2 and 80 Feet. Shout out to 80 Feet. Did a very special lip isolation and I loved it. And it was actually one of my first beatbox videos that I have watched. As you watched, he did something like this. It was something like that. I couldn't do it very well, but it was something like that. So if you want to learn it, stick to my video. For learning these sounds, I divided in 3 steps, 3 very easy steps and simple steps. So let's dive in it. And learn it. When you are sad or depressed of something, for example, you get a bad score in a school and you want to sigh. Everyone can do it. I know, I'm sure you can do it. Even a baby can do it. So when you are sad, you sigh. This is the first step.
See, it was so easy.
The second step, add a B, the kick, before that sigh. See, the second step was easy too. Let's go for the third step. The thing you need to do in third step is to tighten your lips and make it powerful. Instead of doing it very slowly like this, tighten your lips and make it faster and more powerful like this. One way I did to make it easier for myself, I put both of my teeth on each other like this and do it. So 3 steps together: the sigh, the B or kick, and make it tighter. Some other beatboxers add S or Sh before that like this. Or, but I don't like that. It sounds like a horse. And everyone says, oh, what are you doing? Are you making a horse sound? And that feels very bad. So I just add the B kick before it and it sounds very good on microphone or without a microphone. You can make it
Very powerful.
All of the sounds in beatboxing takes a lot of time to learn, so don't be depressed, don't stop working, you will get it, I'm sure. So if you learned these 3 steps, let's go and do some beats with it, and if you haven't watched my other tutorials, go check them here first. Second one. So that was it guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed and learned something, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to watch bunch of more super cool beatboxes and gameplays and funny stuffs like that. Subscribe.
Have a nice day.